boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have a cool, great song from J. Cole, and by the way, his new album, The Fall Off, recently came out there, and this is the legacy song. So let's go into this, and we're gonna play this with a capo high up on the 6th position. We have the absolute best scenario with that, simplest chords. Let's go into the chord world. We're gonna start with the F major 7 first. And that goes 3rd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord is the C major 7. That will be 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Then we have the B minor 11. That will be 2nd A, open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, open E. And finally, we have the A sharp major 7, which is a bar chord. So placing his finger on the 1st fret, you push down 5 strings, all strings except for the last E string. You don't need that one. But then you need to add also 3rd D, 2nd G, and 3rd B. And that is the chord progression through the entire song. So F major, C major, B minor, and A sharp. Alright, so at 40 seconds in, you clearly hear the string pattern we're going to use for this. So let's take the first F major 7 chord and learn it. So it goes like this. Okay, so you're going to play down, and then up, down, down, and then up, down, down, up, down, up. And that's it. So down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Slowly. And that is one round. You're going to play one round per chord through the entire song. That's great. Let's do it. Alright guys, that's a great song from J. Cole, Legacy. If you want to have more songs from his new album, then leave me a comment. We have also Wish Wednesdays. Perhaps I will do it before, I'm not sure, because there are many good songs in his album. But especially for Wednesdays, where you wish for songs and I bring up for you guys, that is a great opportunity to leave me a comment if you would like something more from him, or if you just liked this tutorial. I'm curious to know what you think about my skills and what I can teach you and how I do it. So comment, be back, and play tuned.